方老师教汉字，学中文长知识。首先，我们会复习，然后我们会学新汉字。日 Sunday 月 Moon month 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 1月 January 2月 February 3月 March 4月 April 1月1日 January 1st 2月2日 February 2nd 3月3日 March 3rd 4月4日 April 4th 2024 2024 2024年4月1日是愚人节，愚人节 April Fool's Day 2024 April 1st is April Fool's Day. In Chinese, when we say the date, we start with the year, the month, then the day. From bigger, smaller, and smaller. 汉字鱼 relate to what kind of animal? 猴子还是兔子？汉字鱼 relate to 猴子，猴子。 为什么汉字鱼 relate to 猴子？因为 the 汉字鱼 has two radicals. The first one is 猴子. The second is the heart, 心 or the mind. When the person's mind or heart is always jumping around up and down like a 猴子, never can be calm, that person is full. And then the 猴子 and the heart, 心, gradually evolved each part like this, finally become 汉字鱼. "现在我们会学食物和新汉字。That is Chinese period. In Chinese, when we do the period, it's a circle. 这是什么？这是什么？这是三明治。三明治。三明治。汉字明明。What did you say in the 汉字明? Any 汉字 we have learned before? Yes. The left is 日 sun day. The right side is 月 moon month. When Chinese think about how to express bright, they thought, oh, the sun 日 is bright, and 月 also has light. Put together, they're bright. So they just put 日 and 月 together, create a new 汉字, which means bright. 明 bright. So for the 汉字日 and 月, those are they came from the specific object. And Chinese saw the object and draw the outlines, their pictures. They create 汉字. This way, we call it 象形. 象形. That's the first way, the most original way how Chinese create their 汉字. They saw the appearance picture and then they draw the shape. So those called 象形, 象形, pictograph. And the 汉字明 has a component or radicals, the left and the right combined together. This is a second way Chinese create their 汉字. We call this 会意. 会意 hui to understand. So when you see this, you kind of can understand, figure out what's the meaning, what's the idea. So they combine them together. So it's called hui yi, compound ideograph. That's the second way. There are the other 4 ways Chinese create their Hanzi. We're going to learn those 4 ways gradually later. So what do you think 汉字语? Is it 象形 or is it 会意? Yes, it's 会意 because it has 2 components, 2 radicals, and each has its own meaning. Put together, people can figure out, understand the meaning, the idea. 明 bright, 明 bright. 日 day. So when 明 and 日 get together, they can create a words. What do you think that words mean? Bright day. It's tomorrow. Tomorrow will always be a bright day. Today's class, we're going to talk about Quizlet to do our practice. I'm going to make a video, Quizlet tutorial, to introduce how to use Quizlet if you don't know yet. So this is like briefly introduction. Once you log in, sign up, you can see this. You have a flashcards, learn, test, match, even queue, chat sections. And in the flashcards, you will see the Hanzi, and you're gonna click the cards to flip. You will see the pinyin and the 英文 translations, pinyin, 英文, English on the other side. And then you click this arrow, you will see the second Hanzi. In the learn section, you will do some like questions like this. Choose which one is right. And that's the second question. In the match section, you will have those all options together. You're gonna click like 日, sun, day. You're gonna click those 2 together. Oops. You're gonna click those 2 together. They will match each other and then gone. And then I've never tried the Q chat, but with my students in the classroom. But today, when I do this video, I tried. It's fun. And I think that like AI will ask you questions and you keep talking to them. It's fun. And also you can download the Quizlet app on your cell phone. If you, this is like, if you use Android, this is the Google Play Store, you can find it. If you use Apple, this is the Quizlet app you can download. Okay, I'll leave the Quizlet link in the descriptions. If you like my video, please click the like button, subscribe and share. 谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。